Fraction. Hello children, today we are going to learn fractions. Do you know about fractions? Yes, we know that a fraction shows part of a whole. It is denoted by numerator and denominator. In this chapter, let us learn more about fractions. Fraction. A fraction is a number that stands for a part or parts of a whole object or a collection of objects. We are familiar with the fractions half, 1/3 and 1/4. Let us look at other fractions. When we divide an object into two equal parts, each part is called 1/2 of the whole object. 1/2 is equal to half is equal to 1/2. When we divide an object into three equal parts, each part is called 1/3 of a whole object. It is denoted by 1/3 is equal to 1/3 or 1/3. When we divide an object into four equal parts, each part is called 1/4 or quarter of the whole object. It is denoted by 1/4 is equal to 1/4 or quarter. Making other fraction. Take a strip, divide it into four equal parts. Shade three parts of the strips. Look at the strip. 3/4 is equal to 3/4. Total parts is equal to 4. Shaded parts is equal to 3. Unshaded part is equal to 1. Fraction for the shaded part is equal to 3/4. Fraction 2/5. Take a strip and divide it into 5 parts. Then shade 2 parts as shown in the picture. Fraction for the shaded part is equal to 2/5. Numerator and denominator. We also know numerator and denominator. 2/5. In this fraction, 2 is called numerator, 5 is called denominator. Fraction or part of a group. Fraction of a whole number. Let us know fraction or part of a group or fraction of a whole number. Children, do you know how do we write part of a group? Let us consider a group of 6 dots. See the dots. There are 6 dots in the group. Half of this group will have 3 dots. See the dots. Therefore, 1/2 of 6 is equal to 3. 1/3 of this group. See the dots. Similarly, 1/3 of 6 is equal to 2. Types of fractions. Let us know how many types of fractions are there. What are they? Unit fraction. A fraction which has 1 as the numerator is called a unit fraction. For example, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/10 are unit fractions. Proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called a proper fraction. For example, 1/2, 2/5, 3/8, 13/15 are proper fractions. Improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called as improper fraction. For example, 3/2, 9/8, 15/13, 17/12 are improper fractions. Like fraction. Fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 2 by 8, 1 by 8, 5 by 8, 3 by 8 are like fractions. Unlike fraction. Fraction with different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 3 by 5, 2 by 7, 8 by 13, 11 by 14 are unlike fractions. See the diagrams. When the numerator and denominator are same in a fraction, it becomes a whole number 1. For example, 2 by 2 is equal to 1. 8 by 8 is equal to 1. Let us know how to compare fractions. Comparing the fractions. We can compare the like fractions easily. For example, compare the fractions 1 by 5 and 3 by 5. See the pictures. When the denominator is equal, then the numerators are to be compared. The fraction with the greater numerator is greater. It is obvious from the picture that 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 5.